That makes me too tired.
I didn't eat all day until 20 minutes ago.
I grabbed
Help,
this
what?
food.
I didn't eat all day except 20
Food took
minutes.
hella days
Oh, really?
to let me sit down. Food took hella days to let me sit down. I'm not trying to grab it again. I'll probably box it.
that toe.
I'm about to box this food. I told the fool ammo when he texted me this morning. I was like, I'm about to box this food.
I figured that was
I want to box you.
left hand hella low.
Damn, I'm gonna beat my
Like
ass
you're
up.
confident with it, or?
Just days, bro.
I'm gonna give you a touch. Like if you hit me one time really good, I'm gonna hit you back one time really good. Well, Jasper got some good straight punches. I was just going in and he just and he caught me twice right here like flat, and I was like, damn, my eyes are watering now.
Punch him, Danny, punch him. Uppercut right down the middle.
Nice.
See, now he's gonna be thinking about the uppercut. I'm playing.
Yeah. My main home is either Jeff or I punch and then move my head. I just feel more like a puncher.
Like you punch him with your head back.
I punch and then I move like back automatically, or like I kind of
Danny,
keep my head away, try not to get caught after the side. So that's why I can't really do combos. So I like hit one. Those guys are straight. Well, I'm tough off it. Oh yeah. That was like the only time I caught him. Actually, 10 seconds.
That was all bad. I know the same thing happened, dude.
What just happened?
Same thing on this side.
Oh.
Jab hook, jab hook.
Oh!